What's up, guys? So a lot of people have been asking me how I get Streamlabs overlays into OBS. So I'm going to do a real quick tutorial and just show you guys how I got it done. So here we are in OBS. It's also what I'm using to record. I'm going to go over to Streamlabs. Go to Themes. If you don't have Streamlabs Prime, just go to the search bar, type in free, and it'll show you anything that you can play with for free. I'm just going to grab this one up because it's the first one here, and it's purple. I like purple. Okay, it's downloading. Now here we are, we have our scene, right? This scene needs a lot of work. You would just go to sources and then you can toy around in here. You can customize it however you want it. Once you have your overlay how you want for your live, you're going to go back into OBS. You're going to go up here to scene selection. You're going to go to import. I have a couple different ones in here. Ignore that. This is the one that we're looking for, right? We're going to click here. We're going to import. And then go back to scene selection. And it's right here. Obviously, your scene is going to be more customized than that one. That was just a basic one, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea of how to do it. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to give it a like, a share, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, smash that subscribe button. All right, guys. Y'all be good. Peace.